for Mumiabe, my girlfriend, Kojo Anthony Nye, and Shishemu, the chief research officer, the Herman Mind, the plant master, and then Sumakami Hubio. And then I'm not body about what. A year, Duma Mason, and I made a home in the air at the Mammo. Now, and yet not all we are saying, they will Ghana, Nigeria, and other West Africa, the Busua. Now, way a war in the season, and in season, money away, Nipamocho, and Nuye. I'm saying Ghana for my friend Alasa. Ghana for Obia, and say friend Alasa. The botanical name, the Christophilum abedum. Christophilum abedum. Nigeria for a Yoruba for no. Or friend Agbalumo, and Nuye Alasa. The Etienne says Alasa was a bat. That's a way Dibia Wahao, send the season. A ban when Dibia Wahao, which I say. Say Empo, when she will move up, wouldn't know when she will move up. Don't forget, say, Alasa contains vitamin C that can fight any sickness. It contains so lot of vitamin C. And no other, it contains so lot of phytonutrients, phytochemicals, fantastic ingredients, vitamins, quercetin, and a never been one Yakupo that dear woman. So, would you call it pedium? I could probably have a break. It's in part of what open a video will share. Not from what don't so that you can save your family and your friends and all your neighbors. The patrol get any so import so Ubia would try the dear Nigeria book. Now, Busso, I could change your nice intimate digest in patrol. What did you the Alasaka credit? Secondly, Obiwa and Moja Swati or the Manase when I name it, Nanisu be patrol. And yes, she would be able to travel in the woman. I mean, the dear Nini and I, the good glass man, now the associate Busso. After being 2 hours, now they work a credit idea and no idea. After 2 hours, time, no. And no wonder Obia with serious diabetes. Pow! Who surround about windy dear, the patrol pet Alasawi, Bayer me and pet. Oh, wrong, you know, I'm not teaching. Now we and in the dear and now, Efra is fantastic for Obia with diabetes. Secondly, Obia apostle. And then grown a woman in your papa and upon your room. And your Obia was a sabro and now don't pay more on what they will I am red. And no wonder Obua, but sorry, I'm not. As a new meeting, what do you mean authority? What do you mean authority? No, so no crapple, it means generating a little bit now. A young was now, your pa, who bet you make a chat, Alasano, in Aban for getting glass. Find so she a busso, let someone come in a busso. After bear 1 hour or no, a bit count. And no wonder, Obi Pia, a beer, what yare. Why, let me tea a channel, a channel, yare, bebre. My papa, woman was say, Alasa, Bass, as so be out when you're not compared to you, and then immune booster. It protects your immune system. And now, beside that, it's your immune booster. It is all your painful, we are Kukra, we are Yarifo, we are Rio, we are Software, we are Minister, we are MPO. The patch of the fat cell, and then drop you my protective immune system. Now, the opposed to immune system, to patch whoever you are. Try Salasa season back, who be deep. O sorry no pa won didi e no petimi yala sam yenu yina ba no o din so me ni na duane no kwa me pa cho di ene ne hu nyina fra eno nkoda me ni aba o fe se o wasi ho mo no problem bi aba ho se bi po wi ase a doctor payin bi ana obi be tu fu se di na ma wasi nye fire me pa cho no eni hwe o twemu kra ti se mba ma mba yi mu a o twemu a hwe eti se mba wasi eno nkoda ni seed no nso no ni seed no it is all bad, said the Cafra or Cretoris. Or check or bad, said the Cafra or Trebano. We see in sanity. The pouch what idea Lassa or bad, who surround the pa, who the Yalasano Bamian, who run out and a banana moon so, and pop up your fine up with Yari, up with Yari, up more who might say. And no one any seed you crop what it said, Yang or Bamo Trebano, said the Etis of Bamo Trebano. So when you see the back by 20. Now, Papa, now ye, sir, a giant when the seed in my white. A patron had a wood dame when you're wanting. Who had a wood dame, Maninda for bear 1 week. A bell young and yes, a powder. Tonkutoka cra, Nafasra. Was it? Who the fry kutona, now when you're to all everything they found by singing. Now, Udaria, a crave pen out there for Vajana woman. You see, let me be your better home, maybe Madame here. And no wonder. Maybe about what the old person or years when you say, a planning out one day, one can young one day. Now, on feet, now, maybe no getting kitty be a waiting about bows only the patrol to your painful. Saffin, I won't need more. Saffin, I won't need 7 yams soon and sound the patrol. debia me wo ho ebe sizi efe ebe sizi yare nketenkete sore throat ne ewa ene nyama bi ne ma ewa awon wa ye de e ma enije ba nyinse ho me pa cho taidi enu nkoda obi bia e bia wo your friend say say na me kan wo didi a na ejirejira obo taidi alasa uba wo be di ansa na wo didi e na wo pen so a wo be de wo didi wie pen na de aka wa no enu nkoda so wo ha se ba se bi ofie dwuma ba na wa ye mre na wa yi wika o de twitwa alasa no ene ne hunu nyina onya ba mienu atwitwa ne ene ne hunu nyina egu glass mu keke enwumre na wa be du fie no na wa ye de wo di nsu egu hu after 1 hour no wo de fa enchine efie enchine ba ko be 7 petum no na no the best energy drink you can get in the world me nya wa adwen se alasa no problem bi wo ho a wo de be ma wo ya no mo na ye start di ni edi a wo be ba be ka se wo di alasa wo nya cancer wo di alasa wo nya se wonim nya ma papa ewo mu a ye di a ye nya le ntino si e kosu di a ye ye orthodox dash do it fit ne come pa ocho me see alasa is good for every human being on this earth akokora pen obi a onyem obi a wonyem oba bema kura pokura po te di alasa emunso na ye ba no ya na nhunu se it is spence wo te di alasa ema o spence ye du obe hyanyem awo mba ne nta na daje na di alasa na alasa de me ka de ya adaje be boye eye nyama bebrebe enye ni nyina po na metinya ka wa ite futu amede ma dofo wo wiase nyina se fitene ko na daje alasan aba no tobi kufie na wonye nkwala wonne ogere wonne ukuru wonne mba mundi na munya nyama papa ewo mu se na be pam yare bebre fi mu na munya wonde dia mo bra tobi biase se wo fi se wo yare bi na se bia wa ko ha ntimi nko wo de frame no me keke se yare se ye spiritual problem ana ye how ana ye yare na wonya wedro ana wonya ho epumasi bia frame no ma we na yakopon be fa me so a kire wo de wo be ya wo be nya hoto 0243 65 8075 0243 65 8075